I don't... The roof! It's gone!
I just saw the cook rationing out a single loaf of bread to like...
I need a GPS so badly right now, or at least a compass. I'm in a city in Italy, 1268 AD. And no, I'm not here for a wedding. I'm here for a very important meeting, a significant gathering to be precise. And I am already feeling the weight of history. The atmosphere here is intense, like everyone's holding their breath intense. There are guards everywhere, and I just saw a woman light a candle and say a prayer. This is definitely not your average town council meeting. I'm feeling wildly underdressed for the gravitude. Okay, so I'm trying to get a sense of the layout, but honestly, it's just a lot of corridors and very serious-looking men in robes. I need to find the main hall where the actual voting is happening, or, you know, the main hall where the dramatic waiting is happening. So this is the main event, and it's quiet, like library on a Sunday quiet. Everyone is just sitting there, waiting. I feel like I walked into a very important tablao. I'm trying to figure out if it's rude to like ask what's going on, or if I should just clap awkward at the end. I think I just accidentally clapped. It was a nervous reaction. Someone cleared their throat really loudly, and I instinctively did a tiny clap. I think I'm officially the weird outsider who doesn't understand medieval decorum. My bad.
Wait, what is happening? They're actually locking us in. Not just the cardinals, but like everyone inside the palace. This is not... The woman who was sketching. She looked at me like she understood, like this wasn't the first time. I wanted to ask her what's going on, but she just packed up her things and walked away without a word. Okay, so being locked in is one thing, but not having any idea when it's going to end is another. I need to find someone, anyone who can tell me what the plan is, or at least where the emergency exits are. This palace feels like a labyrinth now.
I found a garden! And a woman tending roses. She doesn't speak English, obviously, but I'm trying to ask her, like, how long does this usually last? And she's doing a lot of shoulder shacking and sighing. Panem, aqua. Bread and water? And then she made a chopping motion with her hand. I think that's what they're doing to the cardinals. Rationing. This is not going to go well for anyone, especially not me, because I need snacks.
Okay, so my new friend basically confirmed that things are getting serious. But if things are escalating, I need to understand what's happening and find a way out, ideally. I have to find a way out. I came back to the central courtyard, and it's definitely not as quiet as it was this morning. The people outside are shouting up at the cardinals' windows, demanding a decision. This is definitely not the placid political debate I signed up for. One of the women in the crowd just pointed up at the roof. And then she made a chopping motion, like the garden lady. I really, really hope that's not what they're planning. Okay, my internal alarm bells are officially ringing. Loudly. I need to find my way back to where I arrived.
I don't... The roof! It's gone! They actually did it! This is insane! This is... Oh, like yesterday! This is not historical immersion, this is a medieval hostage situation.
It's total chaos in here. People are running everywhere. I just almost got hit by a falling piece of timber. And those women on the ladders are really committed. I don't even know which way to go. Every door is locked. Every single one. I'm going in circles. I just need one way out. One tiny window, one unlatched gate. This isn't how it's supposed to end. I can't just... Okay, so the food situation is officially dire. I just saw the cook rationing out a single loaf of bread to like 10 people. And the cardinals look genuinely hangry. I'm starting to think salad was a distant dream. Whoa. Okay, so I just saw two women basically confiscate sacks. This isn't just about the roof anymore. This is about power and bread. I just overheard two servants talking. I didn't get all of it, but I definitely heard fame, which I think means famine or hunger, and tetto, which I know means roof. They look terrified.
Wait, I think I found a way out. It's tiny and high up and definitely not meant for people to escape through. But there's a window and it's actually open and nobody is guarding it. This is my chance. I have to try, I have to. Okay, this is significantly harder than it looked. My dress is definitely snagged. My dignity is long gone, but I can see the outside, almost there. Just a little more. Don't look down, please don't look down, and please don't let anyone see me.
Are you all right? I fell, help me. What happened? Are you hurt? My leg. I think it's broken. We must get you inside. I did it! I actually did it! I'm out! I'm free! Never again will I take an unlocked door for granted, or a functioning roof, or, honestly, a fully stocked fridge. This feels like the greatest escape of all time.
Oh my god, they saw me! They're actually chasing me! I thought I was free, but apparently medieval palace escapes aren't that easy. Stop her! I need to lose her in this market. Wish me luck, because she looks really, really fast and really, really angry. Beatrice! Oh my god, Beatrice just helped me. She saw me and she just piled up these sacks. She's diverting the guard. Medieval women are the true heroes of this story. I owe her like a lifetime supply of fresh bread now. This city is a literal labyrinth. Every alley looks the same. I'm pretty sure I just ran in a circle. But I'm putting some distance between me and that guard, hopefully. I need a GPS so badly right now, or at least a compass, or a basic sense of direction. Okay, pit stop. My face is covered in dust and adrenaline sweat. This water is freezing and it's amazing. I have to keep moving though. That guard probably has like medieval bloodhounds or something. I'm not taking any chances. Oh my god. Another guard. Just inches away. She almost saw me. I am literally holding my breath. I swear I can hear my own heartbeat. This is not good. This is really, really not good. I need to get out of this town like 5 minutes ago. Okay, Gemma gave me a map, a very medieval, very unhelpful map, but I've cross-referenced it with my phone's GPS, and I think I know where my time machine is hidden. It's in the stables just outside the main city walls. I just have to get without being caught. One last push. Okay, stables. Strong horse vibes. And hay. Lots of hay. My time machine should be hidden in one of these stalls. I just need to find it before the stable hand wakes up. Or before any of these horses decide I'm a particularly interesting snack. Found it! Okay, this is amazing. It's so well hidden. You would never know there's a futuristic time machine behind this ancient wooden panel. Time to get out of here. Oh, no, no, no! The stable hand is waking up! She heard me! She's looking right at my stall! I have to go! Now! This is not how I wanted this to end! Please, please work, time machine! Going! Gone! Oh my god, that was so... I'm safe. Oh my god, this fluorescent lighting has never looked so beautiful. The air smells like clean and not horse. And not fear, I actually made it. I am never complaining about Wi-Fi again, or central heating.
I'm catching up on the history books. And turns out the Viterbo's townspeople eventually elected a pope. After almost 3 years, they even stripped the roof and starved the cardinals. It's wild to see it all laid out like this.
I keep thinking about Beatrix, the bread seller, and Gemma, the maid, and those women on the roof hammering away. They were just trying to get through their day, provide for their families, and get a pope elected. They were the real forces of change in that whole insane situation. History rarely remembers their names, but I will. So, my main takeaway from Medieval Vera, appreciate your roof, appreciate your food, and never, ever underestimate the power of a medieval woman who just wants a pope elected. Also, always carry snacks. Always.
I mean, if you had to be stuck anywhere in history, where would it be? And what's the first thing you demand after escaping? Mine would be a hot shower and about 5 pizzas. Let me know in the comments, and hey, subscribe so you don't miss where I end up next.